In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Teams screen sharing not working. So if you open up Teams here, so there are a couple of reasons why your screen sharing might not be working. Firstly, make sure that you have the updated Teams application. So if just to do that, so what you're going to do, just go to the browser or your Microsoft Store and look for Teams. So download the latest version of Teams. So check if you're running the latest version, and then download the latest version and update your Teams, because there might be some bugs on your Teams application that's causing the issue. So try to fix that. So go to your Microsoft website and download the latest Teams version. Okay, that's one way of troubleshooting it. The next one, it might be because sometimes if you are like to screen share, or you're doing trying to screen share in a meeting, sometimes the organizer of the meeting might have not enabled the screen sharing for everyone or for all the participants. So it needs to, something that the organizer of the meeting, if you are not the organizer of the meeting, so you can reach out to the organizer and ask them if they have enabled screen sharing for others. So because if they don't, then you won't be able to screen share. Okay, so that could be a reason. So just check that with your uh, meeting organizer. Okay, and more than that, there shouldn't be any other reasons for why that's TeamSquare is not working on your system. And finally, what you can do is another troubleshooting technique is that try to uninstall Teams. So go to your apps and on your computer, go to your apps and applications section, and then just uninstall Teams. Okay, just uninstall it and then reinstall Teams. So uninstall it from your system, just get it out of your system, and then try to reinstall it again. So once you have reinstalled it, okay, once you've reinstalled it, just remove it. Okay, click on uninstall and uninstall it, and then reinstall the latest version from the Microsoft site there, reinstall it, and then restart your machine, and that should most probably fix up all your issues.